Welcome to Auto Trim and Signs. We'll give you a quick tour of our operation. We'll start over here on the 19 Ram quad cab, new body style. We did the custom graphics on this truck. It's got kind of that sparkle pattern. We also installed the chrome molding below the graphics for protection, as well as the chrome fender trim on the truck. These running boards are made by Aries. They're a power running board. I'll show you how they work. Open the door, they come down, shut the door, they go away. Really extends the step for those that need, these new vehicles are so tall, you need some kind of step to get in. Notice the cat skin leather we installed in the truck with seat heat. Show you the rear also. Cat skin makes a wonderful product. Here's our ATC topper. Did a little bit of striping on it. Also want to show you a feature of this topper. It has the prop mounted lights, light switch. We've got the dual strip lighting in it, full carpet, but it has this other feature called a cap pack that I want to show you. See if I can open it with one hand. What this is a nice storage bin that rests on top of your tailgate. Stand back and show you. You can load it with fishing rods or guns or whatever you want, but it really utilizes that upper space in a typical topper. And this is just a cab height topper, but gives you that storage space that well, goes to waste otherwise. Here's our van that we use to get on buildings, get up to buildings to put signage or lettering on a building. Then we have a vehicle here that we did some custom pinstriping on. This happens to be a newer Chevy Volt. We did the silver and red striping. The car has rear window tint. We put these chrome trims on the fenders, and we'll go up to the front of the vehicle, finished it off up here, and then here's a view of the hood that we did. Here's a customer's vehicle. We did the camo package on. Let me go around to the other side and show you. No, I want to show you over on this side the detail of the pheasant. This is a pheasant graphic we have that's just beautiful. But this, I'll give you this view where you can kind of see the camo package on the lower rocker panel, with the additional pinstriping and some of the other things we did on the truck. Now we'll go inside, and well, first, before we do that, showing you some of our tonneau covers we have on display. Some people don't want a topper, they prefer a tonneau cover, and we've got many of those, many to choose from. As we walk in, you'll notice some of our sign vinyl over on the left. There's a body shop fender. We do a lot of body shop repair work when it comes to pinstriping and other graphics. Here's a display of some of the items we can get for you. One of the newer products that I should have done a better job of showing you outside is from Bedrug. It's their carpet bed liner, and I really highly recommend that product. Stop in and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And then here's kind of a nice thing we can add. It's called a dual USB power outlet. Most vehicles come with these, but the vehicle has to be on in order to be able to charge your phone. Well, we can install these and have them hooked up to a constant 12-volt power supply, so your vehicle can be shut off and you can be charging your phone. Then we have different cameras that we have, video screens that we have available. We can do factory style. Just call us if you're in the market for something like that for your vehicle. Here's a LED light that can be installed on trucks. And there's so many accessories out there. As you can see, some different steps. Right now we're in the process of installing some 6-inch stainless steel steps on a 2019 Dodge back in the shop. But, oh, and then here's a painted to match bed cover. This one happens to be made by Undercover. It's their Luxe, and a very nice cover. So we'll stop our tour here. We invite you to stop out to Auto Trim, and if we don't have it in stock, we can typically order it and have it the next day. So again, thank you for your time.